The announcement of further fundraising. And the entire EMS play as well, led by Dixon. The Nifty starts off mildly in the positive, much of a relief as opposed to what our Asian peers as well are up to. The Nifty Bank even more subdued. But let's check in on what the sectoral flavor is like and what is it that we're currently seeing on that particular screener. There you go. Nifty IT is much of a leader this morning. You have some critical numbers due for today as well. So IT is holding out after yesterday's weakness. Consumer durables, chemicals, metals, oil and gas marginally higher. Realty is the one which is drifting lower. Nifty Private Bank, FMCG. You've got financials as well, and defense too, which is largely flattish. So it's really, other than consumer durables, which have now picked up, along with IT, you're not really seeing any great moves on either end of the market, losing or, for that matter, even the winners. Let's check in on what Athar is up to. They're likely to raise about 1,300 crore rupees via QIP. The indicative issue price is a 7.5% discount to its current market price. 3% higher for Athar Energy as we speak right now. MRPL came out with its numbers. The EBITDA has seen a downtick of 26%. The margins have also fallen quite a fair bit on a sequential basis. Stock still holding up 4.25% higher. It's the GRMs which have managed to impress the street. ICICI Lombard, the combined ratio now stands at 107.2 versus a comparable of 102.9, and the ROAE has come in at about 9.6, and that's a fall from the earlier 20.5% that they clocked in the same quarter last year. Then, of course, sentimental moves perhaps on an HDFC bank. They've got the RBI nod to appoint Rajiv Kumar as part-time chairman. Stocks off flat for HDFC Bank, HDFC Life, Q1 largely in line, VNB up 8.5% year-on-year. Adani Power as well. The power supply agreement for long-term supply of 1600 megawatt thermal power is what they have actually concluded. So look out for what that stock as well does. HDB Financials, it's a strong quarter, margin expansion, profit growth, all of it in tow. So look out for what that stock as well does, 2.6% higher as we speak right now on this particular stock. Other than that, of course, there's TVS Holdings as well. Home Credit India is looking to acquire Vartana Finance for 967 crore rupee. That stock holds up 3.5%. And then, of course, Hero MotoCorp as well, considering Athar Energy has allotted about over 76 lakh convertible warrants to the company now. So look out for what that stock as well is up to. Mrs. Vector Food, Apicus Investment Managers has acquired a near 1% stake, 6% higher for Mrs. Vector as we speak right now. And then, of course, this Powerica as well. They've won a 100 megawatt wind power project. Acme Solar as well. They've commissioned a BESS project in the state of Rajasthan. Then, of course, there's Jana Small Finance Bank as well, wherein the NI has seen a growth of 34%, PAT has jumped up 52%, MV Photovoltaic, PAT surge of 102% on a smaller base. 380 crore rupees is where it stands right now. Himadri Chemicals, profit uptick of 26.3%. And Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals as well, wherein HDFC Mutual Fund has been a buyer and they bought a stake of 1.42% stake worth about almost 139 odd crore rupees. So a lot of these names are the actively traded ones this morning.
Yep. So you've got all of that playing out. Just a couple of stocks I want to mark. And HCL Tech is up 2.5%. We've seen a decent move coming in over there. I also want to quickly now mark ICICI Lombard. As rates start to settle, 10% lower on ICICI Lombard, or 9.5+% lower on ICICI Lombard. So that stock is really taking a knock. HDB Financial is up 2.5%. Again, the numbers there, credit costs coming off. On a sequential basis, your impairments or your provisioning number was lower, and the guidance maintained for FY27, and that's what's keeping that stock in good fettle this morning as well. So we've got all of that playing out. I want to also mark out, of course, Mrs. Bector's, but TVS Holdings, the stock is up 4%. You've got some funding for the NBFC arm that sits below TVS Holding, due to which you're seeing a slight bit of a perk up on that stock as well. Let me go across. Rudra, how you